Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Volkswagen T3 Custom. This casting is by Hot Wheels. This casting was new for 2024, but this year they have come up with this new color. I think it looks way better than the original one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the VW T3 Custom out of its box, and as I said, this is a new color. I think it looks better with the lower half being blue and the upper half being cream. Some good details on this one. As you can see, it's a custom, so on the side if you see, this is all aero, and also you can see this paint. It looks a bit like, you know, how the classic paint schemes used to be with this. If you see these lines going on this paint scheme, but looks good. Wheels do look good. Wheels look nice. They look really good on this one. Front has got good details. As you can see, you got the Volkswagen badge, number 25 at Hot Wheels on the windscreen. A smiley face here. You got the headlamps again crossed out. I think it's for track only. Front bumper again has got this lower lip, which again suggests it has got more aero parts in it, which you can also see on the top. It looks like a big spoiler from here. Let's come to the driver's side. Again, you can see some good details here. Before, got nice wheels. You can see how it's slightly wider, the wheel arches and everything. So it's custom made. It's not standard. You can see the door handle here. Again, as I talked before, a lot of aero elements going on here. It's a bit more of a racing van. And Volkswagen badge here. It says Giro. So I don't know if it's electric, maybe. I'm not sure. But a big diffuser in the back. Don't see where the tail lamps are. Might be somewhere here. They're not detailed. And this is how it looks from the bottom. This is how it looks from the top. So overall, I always felt it was a nice looking casting, but this color definitely does justice to this one, and I think it looks way better than the original color. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.